welcome back to this channel. So we are doing a desk makeover and I've been planning to do this since long, as in before even starting this channel, but here we go. First things first, let's make. So if you're planning to give your workspace a makeover, please stick around because I've got some simple tips and tricks to share with you guys. I am such a procrastinator. I've been delaying shooting the content for so long. Things I've been lying here for the past few days. I don't use this table a lot. इसमें बस चीज़ें पड़ी रहती है. But I do sit on this table. और आज मैं finally ये सब साफ कर दूँगी. First things first, let's declutter everything. Remove everything from your desk and I'm putting everything on my bed as of now. Decide what you really need. हमें बस ज़रूरत की चीज़ें रखनी है and put the rest away. A clean desk will help us to think clearer. To be honest, मुझे मेरे टेबल पे बहुत चीज़ें पसंद नहीं आती है. शायद मैं बहुत ज़्यादा distracted फील करती हूँ. Next, give your desk a good clean, wipe it down and organize your stuff. I was searching and planning for an ideal desk for so long, but being a student, I was under tight budget. I was finding inspirations on Pinterest, watching so many YouTubers setting up their desk. But expense, availability और functionality के हिसाब से this worked for me. I'm taking down those old posters to clear up some space as I'm preparing for a competitive exam. मुझे ना ऐसे वॉल पे स्टिक करना अपने स्टडी मटेरियल को, टू डू लिस्ट को या कोई की रिमाइंडर्स हो तो वो अच्छा लगता है. एज एन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड फील होता है. ऑल्सो लेट्स नॉट फॉरगेट अबाउट माई भूलने की बीमारी. Let's unpack everything first and later organize them. So my inspiration for this setup was very minimal. मुझे ना बहुत कम चीज़ें चाहिए थी मेरे डेस्क पे, तो मैंने बस 3-4 चीज़ें ही मंगाई है. बाकी I'm planning to do बाद में. I've invested so much time and efforts in this, like finding good yet cheap organizers, going from one side to another, comparing prices वगैरह. I'm not ashamed to accept this. Do check links in the description once you're done with this video. Let me know if I should upgrade my stationery as well, and if yes, do suggest me some in the comment section. I received this parcel yesterday and I swear मुझसे वेट ही नहीं किया जा रहा था अनबॉक्स करने के लिए. Coming back, I ordered this lip balm from Earth Rhythm and look at the packaging. Its red color makes it look so attractive. Honest review, मुझे अच्छा लगा ये lip balm. Speaking of pros, it felt light on my lips. It wasn't sticky at all. मुझे इसकी consistency भी पसंद आई. Now speaking of cons. Personally, I'm not a fan of how it smelled. I know Earth Rhythm कोई भी fragrance use नहीं करता है उनके products में, but I couldn't stand it. My mom standing there asking me to clear up the mess that I've created. I also ordered this mobile stand. It costed me rupees 99 and it's lightweight yet sturdy. It's a sleek metal body का है. Also it can hold mobile and tab simultaneously. मैंने ये 2 पेन स्टैंड्स भी ऑर्डर किए थे. Now I ordered this in transparent. God knows what went wrong and they sent me it in pink. I hope this goes well with the stuff I ordered. And if not, मुझे 7 दिन रुकना पड़ेगा इसके एक्सचेंज रिटर्न जो भी प्रोसेस होती है. And I'm not ready for that. This is double layered shelf desktop storage rack. It can be used to store your stationery or maybe jewelry. I always wanted something like this, but I was skeptical at first. I saw this on Pinterest as well. No complaints at all. It's very lightweight, aesthetically pleasing. और ये cheap plastic से भी नहीं बना है. You can assemble it with ease. अभी इसकी असेंबली भी बहुत आसान है. Insert the 4 brackets into the upper plate and उसके बाद दूसरे प्लेट को इसके ऊपर क्लिप कर देंगे. This plastic multi-layer small storage box is from House of Quark. I ordered it in white पर इसमें पिंक कलर भी अवेलेबल है और डिफरेंट लेयर्स का भी ऑप्शन मिल जाएगा. इसका अपीयरेंस बहुत ही प्लीजिंग और क्यूट है. So cute. Don't forget about your techs like cables, keyboards, laptop, mouse pads. You can add 1 or 2 accessories maybe if needed. I actually don't use laptop. I can run my app on the tab. Also मेरे notes भी tab में है. Now for the fun part, you can add your personal touch like perfume bottles, candles, cute little plants. This moon lamp was gifted by my friend on my birthday and it's been with me since. Putting not so regularly used stationery here क्योंकि जब काम पड़ता है तब मिलती ही नहीं है. Hopefully अभी मिल जाएगी. Finally, make your last adjustments and arrange your desk in a way where it is functional and visually appealing. Placing my plant here थोड़ा contrast add कर रही है. And I felt it was good decision. Can't have my desk ready without the water bottle. Adding this books reference books here, at least देख के याद आता है कि हाँ आज पढ़ना है. More important, I have my classes going, so it comes very handy. I know this wasn't a very big makeover, but I liked how it turned out. And there you have it. My desk makeover is complete. I hope you enjoyed this transformation and found some inspiration for your own workspace. If you did, make sure to comment down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.